Natural toothpaste to reverse cavities and health tooth decay. Cavities or tooth decay is a breakdown of teeth due to the activity of bacteria which chips away the tooth enamel. They can damage the inner layer called dentin and cause damage to the structure of the tooth. Most people treat their tooth problems at a dentist, but you should know that you can reverse cavities and heal tooth decay naturally. Consume nutrient-rich foods. In order to defeat tooth decay, you must increase your intake of fat-soluble vitamins and minerals. Eat more leafy green vegetables and foods rich in healthy fats like avocado, coconut oil along with nuts and seeds to create an ideal barrier against tooth decay. Use fluoride-free natural toothpaste. You can get fluoride-free toothpaste in herbal stores and supermarkets. You can also try making your own toothpaste at home. The process is very simple. Here is what you need. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, half teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of filtered water. Mix all the ingredients together and use instead of a regular paste. You have your own natural fluoride-free toothpaste. By following this natural toothpaste, within few weeks you will notice best results. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.